tradition in this community. And that is what we are fighting so hard to uphold. Yeah? I'm sorry about the death of your husband and king. But tradition demands that we crown another king. Huh?
They murdered my husband. These people killed him. Principally is evil. They should be punished. Maybe I should have raised the alarm earlier. Now nobody believes me.
Michael, you are just assuming. You are assuming. Okay, Prince finally willingly ceded the crown to the younger brother. So how come he will turn around to kill him?
Hell no! They lured him out to kill him. My husband never wanted the crown. Yes, they killed him. We never wanted the crown.
They lured him out. By what means? Huh? Wait, my queen, let us not assume things. Because,
Oh no. Are you now saying that I'm lying? Don't you believe? You think I'm making it up?
My queen, I'm not saying you lie. Please, pull yourself together. Pull yourself together. Don't press this matter further. Let's just lay it to rest. Biko.
I see you started making preparations towards becoming a queen.
As you've always wanted.
Exactly. But too bad for you, you chose the wrong location to congratulate me. Anyway, thanks all the same. But you should have waited for me to get home. Yes, that also.
Huge congratulations for killing my husband.
Sandra, you see,
rain can always beat the skin of a leopard, but it cannot wash away its spots.
I know it has always been your dream to see me bow
and worship at your feet.
Well, that's not too bad after all, if you bow down and worship me. Oh yes, because where there is a queen, there should be subjects. Well, I don't have time for this rubbish. Can you please take this thing you call a car out of my way, for I am running late to somewhere and I need to pass.
One moment.
Rain does not fall on one roof.
Psycho! Psycho! You are going mad gradually. You're losing it.
The ways of the gods are wise, but you may not understand. Egwoyeko amuobodo na kunisi obodo. Oke no somewhere no sonwa. Onye mazi kambiri siweba no biribogiri.
This is so amazing. You know, seeing this picture makes me so jealous that I had no option than to order everything here. They're so beautiful. Wow. Honey, what is wrong with you? Babe, I've been talking to you.
Are you talking to me?
Of course. I have been talking to you for the past 5 minutes, but you kept mute.
I'm so sorry, darling.
Baby, the coronation is near. It's really near. And I've been the one arranging the whole thing. You haven't said anything yet.
Sorry about that, dear. It's just that everything is happening so fast. Okay? But I suggest we do away with the pomp and pageantry. I would suggest we have a quiet ceremony.
Quiet what? I hope that wasn't directed to me. What do you mean by quiet? For crying out loud, my love, you're going to be crowned the king of Amipulu Kingdom. Dignitaries are expected to be there. And you're talking about quiet? How?
Sandra, we are mourning my late father and brother. Does that not mean anything to you?
I know, yeah. But baby, you do not expect me to cry my eyes out over people that have already left this world. I mean, I'm so sorry if you hurt you, my prince, but that is the fact. I mean, I want this coronation so elaborate that even the dead will be proud of us. I'll go ahead and order. My king in making. Oh my goodness, I love this. I can't wait.
My prince, did I hear you correctly?
My prince, I barely heard you. What did you say?
My elders, I said that I still maintain my stand on the issue of the throne.
Eze Akajofo, your dynasty is about to roll off. My prince, please reconsider your stand. For this is about to bring the worst abomination on this kingdom. Your first action led to the death of your brother. And now this is about bringing plague on this kingdom. Reconsider.
Precifying, you and I know that what you are saying is not possible. You are destined to be the king of this kingdom. And there's nothing you can do about it.
I am not destined to be the king of this kingdom. And I will not let you all railroad me into becoming king against my wish.
What about your people? Don't you care about your people? I mean, those that stood by your family all these years. You don't care about them?
My prince, the dynasty will leave your family if you refuse to take the mantle of leadership and lead your people. I am telling you the truth.
My elders, I will gladly support any son of the soil to become king. As you can see, the clouds are getting darker and I need to take my leave before the rains are upon us. Have a nice day.
Who will wear the crown? Who will wear the crown? When you got you no banana, when you got mysteries and tales, rocking the line. I could call you reju. When you got Korani, when you got Kobarani, every little of your banner, a woman more. Oh, me, who will wear the crown? When you got Chino Bodani.
Ifani, why?
What do you mean?
Traditionally, You are supposed to be king now that my husband is dead. Or don't you want to partake in your own dish anymore?
I don't understand what you mean, Lizzie.
No, you wouldn't, my dear brother-in-law. Listen. What is good for the goose is good for the gander. Long live my king.
Are you okay? I'm easy, oh. Easy.
What is wrong? What is wrong with you? Why are you running? I command you to speak right now. What is it?
Madam, receive the news. A new king has been chosen.
What blasphemy are you talking about?
Madam, I'm not talking about Brother Femi.
Will you shut up? Do you know where you stand?
Madam, I know where I stand. Do you know and the elders have chosen a man to become the king of this kingdom?
This is not happening.
Gengen.
Wait, are you sure about this information?
See, my queen, you know I'm a face great gossiper. A new queen has been chosen. A king.
What's funny? Will you get out? Get out! What's wrong with this man? No. This cannot be true. This cannot be true.
My daughter, it is not in our hands.
This is not right. Ono and the elders disappointed our family. That is not the right thing to do. At least, there should be proper consultation.
But your brother rejected the crown. And the elders have given up already. Haven't they tried? My hands are tired.
Mother, we can still do something. Talk to Ono. Peradventure he can reverse this decision.
It's rather too late now. Princess will have to accept things the way they are. What you cannot change, you accept.
Trees and tales, rocking the line. Akụkọ juru eju. Onye ga-akọrọ anyị, onye ga-akọbara anyị ye. Ebulite ọfịa banụ, egwu ụmụ mmụọ. O mere me, who will wear the crown? Onye ga-achị n'obodo anyị ye. Yo.
This drink is very nice. Mazi Emeka, I trust you. Hey, we want to thank you, with the elders, for giving us this cola. We really enjoyed ourselves.
Oh yes, yes.
But I know you must be wondering why we're here. I saw it in your eyes. What are these people doing? We are here actually to discuss an important matter with you. We the elders, we have unanimously decided to make you our king.
Oh yes. Really?
Amekulu Kingdom is a great kingdom. And we need somebody with good pedigree to lead us. You know, we've searched, we've looked around, and with the help of the gods, we decided to choose you. So we need to thank the gods for giving us the wisdom to choose somebody like you.
Oh, my elders, I'm greatly honored for this your visit, most especially for the good news of choosing me to be your king. You see, my father once told me that my ancestors, we are well-known warriors, once ruled our kingdom. And I promise I'll rule our kingdom in truth and fairness.
I am tempted to start calling Igwe.
My elders. My husband slept with people wake up with him. I went to him in the night. I didn't feel it impossible. He couldn't wake up. Until the doctor came and confirmed that he was dead.
Child. No. Chie will live with you. Why? Huh? Chie will live with you.
I guess we have to start from the beginning. The elders in council are more confused than ever.
Why are they confused?
Yeah, because anyone who agrees to ascend the throne dies. Yes, and we are so confused that we don't know what to do anymore. Now, my prince, there is a question I've been meaning to ask you. And I want you to tell me the truth. Why did you reject the crown?
My business. It's becoming incorporated and requires my attention. I don't need anything to slow down that business, and taking the crown will warrant that I'm always here in the village, which would affect the business.
My prince, I'm sure you are aware that I was a very close confidant to your father when he was alive. And I am aware also that your father prepared you early for this throne. So, you and I know that what you are saying is not correct. Tell me, what is the real reason that you rejected the crown?
Okay, I will tell you the truth. Now, what's the meaning of this again? How many times have I warned these boys to stop blocking the road? What's the meaning of all this? What's the meaning of this?
Do not wear the crown.
Who are you? What do you mean?
Whatever you do, do not bow to the pressure of the crown. Heed my warning. Heed my warning.
So that was it. I always had this recurring dream before any danger. And it always had to do with the crown.
But why didn't you say something while you were experiencing this thing? I mean, the recurring dream.
How would the elders believe me? They'll probably see me as being self-centered or arrogant and proud. That's why I asked my brother to take up the crown, as he wished.
But do you think the death of your brother is related to this recurring dream you've been having?
I honestly do not know. But I decided to heed the advice of this nameless woman. Who knows, maybe that's why I'm still alive.
Perhaps she was trying to warn you, or rather advise you, to cleanse the palace. Could it be the message she's trying to pass across? My friends.
Hello.
On behalf of the Council of Elders, I want to thank you for accepting the crown.
Thank you.
And for saving our kingdom from imminent calamity.
Oh, yes.
Yes. Now let's go to the throne room.
Okay.
Others are waiting.
What do you mean by that?
You heard me.
My son, I thought you had accepted to ascend the throne.
Yes!
And I have rejected the throne here.
Oh, no, listen to me, baby. Do not do this to me. Don't. Please, let's go.
Do what to you? Are you the one wearing the crown?
But let's go!
I said I am not going again.
Like why?
Because I have rejected the crown here and now.
Oh my goodness.
Mom, I will not do it for you.
My prince! My prince! We are finished.
You sure know how to get on my nerves. So after praying for a day like this, all you had to do was to turn your Nollywood down? What is wrong with you?
Honey, you should understand me.
Understand what? What exactly do you want me to understand? That I have been praying for you to take over your father's place. And all you had to do was to turn down the same crown your brother died for. Oh my goodness. I have always known that I am married to a weakling.
Enough. Enough already! What has gotten into you? Why are you even taking this personal? Why?
I am taking it personal because I am your wife and the future queen of this great land.
If that crown is so important to you, then go there and have them crown you instead.
Oh, I would love that. I would love that to happen. And where are you going?
How's that your business?
Thought about it, and I believe this is the best decision for me. I need to move on. It's time. I have to move on with my life.
I am really going to miss you, seriously.
I know, and I will even miss you more. Listen, you just have to take care of yourself, take care of Queen Mother, and again, do not trust anyone. I will see you. Listen, I will keep checking up on you people time to time. Okay?
Okay. Goodbye.
Bye.
Don't close like this.
What's the meaning of that?
No, madam, please just come out like this. And Prince James don't die. And you know, born for son, or anybody will go get pregnant, born for son for them. Make a lineage continue. That simply means
Please shut up! I don't want to lose it.
Listen, if when I grow up, reach my age, make when I try marry up in time so that when I go born pikin, now you have a son, even though you have money to get married. Give someone unwanted pregnancy. Once you have a son, son is son, no matter whatever, so that your lineage will not close like Oga James' son. Hey, Oga James. Don't be for you. I no go die like you. I go plan my future from now. Give anybody belly, scatter them. I don't say when the sons grow up, they go look for the father. If not the maidens, yes. If I want maiden, give her belly. You go born for me. And so far as the border for this compound, na royalty. Belly na belly. Pregnancy is pregnancy.
Oh no, his hands are not clean. I know these young men and their commitments. A crown, older than his father.
I wondered that myself.
My elders, we need to rally around our prince so that we can find a solution to this problem. He explained his reasons to me. Yes.
Oh no.
Yes.
That didn't make sense to me. You should have cropped up a better lie than trying to sell that cheap one to us.
he wasn't lying. What he said was the truth. Believe me. If you say so.
Oh. Yes. What truth are you talking about?
My queen.
Yes.
We need to find out the truth. According to Persephone, there is this woman who keeps coming to his dream to haunt him.
What?
Yes. And according to him, it was this woman who warned him to reject the crown.
I never knew about anything like that. I never confided in us.
Apologies, my queen. The Council of Elders are asking questions. And these questions are directed at me.
Oh no.
Your Majesty.
Do you still remember how my husband died? Can you still recall what I told you were his last words?
Yes. I think I remember. He said something about the crab being cast.
My husband, before he took his last breath, he was pointing at the crown. I am confused, but I know we have to do something about it.
Hey, Your Majesty, what are we going to do? Because I'm confused myself.
No, I don't know. I just don't know.
Yes, he's the oldest man in Ameku. He's full of wisdom and he has witnessed so many past events.
Really?
Yes. Let's meet him. Anybody home? Wise one! Greetings, wise one.
Greetings, wise one.
Oh no. Why have you come here this Mbachi?
We come in peace, wise one.
I am restless these days. I wonder why death has refused to visit me.
Wise one, death understands the importance of your words of wisdom, and that is why it keeps jumping over your heart.
Death must be so beautiful to have this long pity on me. My prince.
Wise one.
The war has deliberately begun. You may think you have cheated death, but it is not over.
Wise one, you speak in parables.
You need to find Ihe Akano, the bleeding priestess. She has the solution. to the problem.
Wise one, please, where do we find her?
My prince, Onowu here knows where to find her. And you need to find her before 10 days. Else, no single member of the royal family will be left alive. Go in peace.
Wise one! Wise one! Wise one!
What's wrong with him? Wise one?
He's dead.
What?
Hey!
Sandra, relax. You're acting like this is the end of the world.
Of course it is. It is the end of the world for me. Giovanni needed to be there. He needed to have seen the way my husband turned down the crown right in front of everybody. Disgraced the entire family. I don't know what is wrong with that man.
Sandra, this man might have his reason. He's not a baby. I mean, this doesn't mean he's not going to be crowned the king.
You never can tell. The first time we had this issue was when he gave his younger brother the throne. I mean, God bless his soul, he's gone. Just when I thought everything is normal and for me to relax and enjoy everything, Fiam, he put up another style, which I don't even understand. I don't understand what is going on, honestly. I just feel like disappearing. That man wants to make me go mad. Now everybody will be laughing at me.
Come on, nobody's laughing at you. At least I am not laughing at you. I'll never do that. Huh? Calm down. I mean, he might be passing through a lot of so much pressure on him. He lost his father. He just lost his brother.
Spare me all that. Spare me all those balderdash. Spare me. Please, do you have anything reasonable in that refrigerator of yours?
Did you keep anything in my fridge?
Please, can you be useful to me?
Hey, good. Okay, I have fruit juice.
That will go a long way.
Face.
Very chilled, please.
Very chilled. Okay, hold on, let me get you something really, really chilled.
Are you going to see this priestess?
If I don't, then we're all doomed forever. I was really scared. It was as though the man was waiting to set his eyes on me before he gave up the ghost.
How do you mean? He died?
At first, he was making sense with his words. And then he started speaking in parables. I couldn't understand. And he died. How is Mom?
She's fine. She's resting inside.
Okay. Please, could you just tell any of the maids to prepare some food for me? I'm famished.
Okay, Favor, come. Please go to the kitchen. Tell the people to make food for the prince. Okay, my princess. Please tell him to start. Okay, my princess.
We're in the middle of nowhere. There's no building in sight. Are you sure we're at the right place?
Of course we are. Like you said, we're in the middle of nowhere, so we have to walk the rest of the way.
How about the car? Are you sure it's safe here? Hoodlums will not come and destroy it?
My prince, this is a sacred place. There is nowhere safer for the car than here. Don't worry.
Are you sure?
Of course, 100%. You know, we still have a very long way to go. We better hurry. Let's go, my prince.
Okay, after you.
That is the abode of the priestess. Stories have it that she lives alone with dead souls.
Funny enough, I don't believe those superstitions.
My prince, they are real. They are real. I've heard legends about Ihe. No one could tell her age. Stories have it that she's up to 1,000 years.
Those are stories your mother told you by moonlight. I cannot wait to get out of here. I hope we get done with this fast so I can go back home.
Hopefully, yes, my prince. Please, let's proceed.
There's no problem. I just want to discuss something very important with you.
Okay, so I'm all ears.
See,
Afam, I don't have all day. If you're yet to figure it out, go and come back later.
I will say it. See, my princess. Since the day I started working in this palace, and since the day I saw you, I've not been sleeping fine. No, I'll be sleeping in my dreams. I'll be hearing voices saying, "Say it, tell her, do the right thing," and I'll just wake up. Then I've just been trying to find what is telling me that you know you are a beautiful man, an epitome of beauty. I don't know whether you are being given birth or you fall from the sky. So after much consultation, and I deliberated with my council of elders, my kindred women, kindred men. Those that talk about those that will progress. Then I decided to do the right thing. My princess, please marry me. I will take you to places you never dreamed to go in this world. Name them: Zimbabwe, Malawi, Shanghai. I will take you there. Any kind of car you want to drive in this world, you will drive them. I'm ready to build this kind of palace for you, different places. Uncompleted building here. Here, our foundation.
Afam, are you mad?
No.
Have you
gone cocoa?
No, yes. I've gone cocoa. I use coconut to drink gari with cold water. Oh, yeah, me very gari I has little. You chop one milk. Wait till I need me or hurry.
Afam, will you get out from here? Get out of here! Get out from here, you moron! Get out, you fool! Look at you fool! What gave you that mind? What? Okay, come on.
Asa wanyi asa
Achalugo nwayoma
asa wanyi asa
Ugogbo nne ya
asa wanyi asa
Nne malobi nwa ya
asa wanyi asa
Ngala une ya
asa wanyi asa
Achalugo nwayoma
asa wanyi asa
Ugogbo nne ya
asa wanyi asa
Achalugo nwayoma
asa wanyi asa
Nne mara mma
asa wanyi asa
Achalugo nwayoma
asa wanyi asa
asa wanyi asa Nne malobi nwa ya
asa wanyi asa
Achalugo nwayoma
asa wanyi asa
That is the same woman I told you I see in my dreams. The one that spoke to me about the crown. Are you sure? Yes. The first time I saw her, she was bleeding. Oh, that's why she's called the Bleeding Priestess.
Yes. Legend has it that whenever she visits anyone in the dream, danger knows. One that can cost the life of the dreamer. My prince, she could be the liberator.
Step forward, the favored one. Come! You are wise to seek the truth.
No one in the palace would have sensed that something is wrong somewhere. The sins of the father are kept in the son, even to the third generation.
You speak in parables, priestess.
It's the language of the spirit. Son, the evil spirit does not like the idea that people seek for solution to their problems. Confuse them at the end.
Priestess, we are in total confusion and despair.
You seek the truth? Alright. Your great-grandfather, King Obiefuna, was a good man. As a young man, he took a bride. A beautiful bride. Soon,
I said flog him! What do you mean?
forgive me.
You need me to teach you how to flog? Flog you? How dare you spoil the name that took me many years?
What is going on? What is going on?
The name that took me many years to build?
I wonder how best I gave birth to a common thief.
Your Highness!
Steal it from me. Bring him back.
No!
I said bring him
No,
back.
you want to kill him for me? Please, come.
Give me that kid. Give me.
Give me. You. Like? You don't understand. I love it! In 2 lands. Yes, you want close to the river. I'm ready to protect now for you. Just I talk like a sugar.
What's going on in my house? You. Walk off before you are punished.
Father, I was just cooling off with my friends.
I gave you that name because you are the first strength of my leon. Rather than put that name to good use, you are here whiling away your life with ladies.
Father, please. I'm only occupying myself and trying to kill the boredom.
By bringing in pigs and fools into my compound? You are a complete disgrace to America. You will regret your life. No. I have made up my mind and there is no going now. Your son is a complete disgrace.
Oh, now he's my son? I gave birth to what you gave to me. All you could do is call him and advise him. After all, he's only a boy.
You call Ikemefune a boy or a man? Oh, I have seen where the problem is coming from. You keep pampering and spoiling him. No, he is a total disaster.
The gods forbid. My son is not a disaster.
Look at him. Just look at him. Does he look like someone who would be a crown prince?
My king.
Young man, I have disowned you.
Oh, disowned him?
It will amount to a disgrace for me. The people will mock me.
You brought that onto yourself.
Oh
yes,
please.
Right away, I am going to summon the elders of Ameku to choose another successor to the heir. Read my lips.
My king.
You can never succeed me.
My king.
You have to do that.
Stop it! Stop!
You want to give my throne to someone else?
Stop it! Don't do that, son.
You want to give my throne to someone else?
You can't. Stop it. You kill the king. You have to kill him before you get to my son. Now take back your sword. Take it down now. It's an order. Do it now.
She said take it down.
Now.
King Obiefuna cost the crown, and you are the second generation. If your brother had mounted the throne, he would have died.
Now I see why you visit my dreams.
In actual sense, that was not me.
We've heard stories of your visit to dreams. And after such visits, problems are solved in some cases.
Yes, Prince Ifani was only seeing the cause. That crown drips in blood. Hence, the gods were passing a message to you. Hence, you were seeing the bleeding parts.
But why?
Why am I favored this much?
Your grandmother, she continued to stand in the gap where Obiefuna lamented the gods for vengeance. Now, you must break the curse.
Priestess, that is why we are here.
Yes. What must be done and how much time do we have?
9 days. You must find the voice.
The voice?
Your grandfather Obiefuna has a secret pot. In that secret pot lies your redemption.
What secret?
Are you serious about what you are doing?
Your Majesty, I cannot be lying with something serious as this. If Her Majesty finds out, my life is ruined.
She will do you anything. You go back to your father's house. I think you are safer there.
My father is going to kill me. You know it's a taboo for a young maiden to give birth in her father's house.
He will not kill you. I will send you a message with my seal on it. You will stay there a while. Then I will come and pay your bride price and take you home as my wife.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
Now do as I instructed you.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
He had a child out of wedlock.
Yes. King Obiefuna did not live to fulfill his promises to Uloma, who later died after giving birth to his son. I guess the stigma was much. That is the key to your liberation.
But why? I mean, all these do not fit.
You are correct. King Obiefuna does not want anybody from the lineage of Amaka to wear the crown. And anybody who does so will die immediately. The royal curses are so strong. You must find the secret and break it.
Who? Why me? Why? Why?
You are the royal bridge and the chosen one to break the long age curse. Refusal to do so will have the whole member of your family dead.
Eh? Not now. I just hope everything works out fine. Please. No. Please, sit down. What is it? You look agitated and scared. What's wrong?
My prince, the worst has happened. Hey.
What happened?
Mazu Denka is nowhere to be found. This is his son John.
Greetings, my prince.
What do you mean he's nowhere to be found? Is he trying to run away or what?
My prince, he suddenly disappeared from the face of the earth. My family is in sorrow.
Have you informed the police?
No, my prince, we haven't. Hey, my prince, what are we going to do? Today is the 6th day. Hey.
Hey. I just have to resign to fate. Because we have done our best as humans.